Okay, let's look at one last application problem here. Okay, the the Pilatusbahn in Switzerland is the world's steepest cog railway. Its steepest section makes an angle of about 25.6 degrees with the horizontal and rises about 0.9 kilometers. To the nearest hundredth of a kilometer, how long is this section of the railway of track? Okay. Well, part of what's great about these problems and what a lot of you guys are really good at is modeling these problems with a picture. So to me, this is what this is saying. Okay, we're talking about this railway. Okay, so like a train almost. Okay, it says its steepest section. So it's talking about this steeper section. And it makes an angle of about 25.6 degrees with the horizontal, and it rises about 0.9 kilometers. So our picture really does not have to be perfect at all. Let's just do this. Okay, so here's kind of our level ground, right? Here's maybe the railway, and then this represents the rise. Okay, so here's our right angle. All right, this would represent our 25.6 degrees, and this is 0.9 kilometers is our rise. Okay, if you want to label this with letters, we could call this A, B, and C, right? You can really model that in just about any way you want, okay? So we know a couple things, right? We know this angle A, okay? We know this opposite side, and we want to know how long this hypotenuse is, okay? So if we look at SOHCAHTOA, we should be able to figure this out. So it looks like we have the opposite and the hypotenuse. So it looks like sine is going to be the way to go. So I'm going to say the sine of 25.6 degrees equals opposite over hypotenuse. Okay? Which then we could say the sine of 25.6 degrees equals 0.9 over AB, which we don't know AB yet. Okay, and so at this point, we're going to try to isolate AB by multiplying it to both sides. Okay, and then afterwards, we could then, I guess I'll rewrite it just to make it a little more neat. So AB times the sine of 25.6 degrees equals 0.9. To isolate AB, I need to now divide both sides by the sine of 25.6 degrees. Okay, I know that these are just going to divide to equal 1, so AB is going to be equal to 0.9 divided by the sine of 25.6 degrees. So here we go. 0.9 divided by 25.6 sine equals 2.08. All right, so we're going to say that AB equals 2.08 kilometers. Okay, and that is going to be our final answer. Okay, we could, I guess, to the nearest hundredth. So yeah, we're good to go. 2.08, and that's our final answer. So again, we're just reading a problem. We're kind of identifying our rise and our degree measurements and just making a model. So pretty simple stuff. Okay, we'll be going through lots of examples of application problems like that.